channel called Day in Vlogs. Stay till the end of the video to see some beautiful waterfalls. And before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give a big like to this video. Today we're going to be going on some beautiful walks to see the Papa John's Park. We're going to see flowers, trees, and animals. So watch the entire video to see. And finally, the amazing waterfalls. So here are the fountains. They're beautiful. And the bridge that goes across the lake. Next, we're gonna see some turtles. So we're gonna get a close-up to see those turtles, because if you're really far away, you can't see them good. So look closely. There are so many, but when you get so close, then they go in the water. They all went in the water. And now we're gonna see the ducks. Follow me. There were so many ducks that we couldn't even cross the path. And I was scared. Look at all those ducks. Baby ducks and mama ducks and daddy ducks. I was scared to cross the path so they wouldn't bite me. Now we're gonna walk and look at the beautiful nature and the lake. We're so close to the waterfall, so keep watching. In the middle of when we were walking, we saw this little squirrel walking in front of the road. And look closely to see if you can see it. We're going to see some flowers. There's so many orange flowers. I even saw a bee in there. And here we are, walking to the waterfalls. If you look closely, you can see so many waterfalls. They're so beautiful. Now we're gonna climb on some rocks beside the waterfall. The waterfall is so beautiful. I can feel the sound of the waterfall. Wow. The waterfall is so beautiful. And the lake is really big. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and put those notifications on so you can see any one of my videos that I've been posting. And hit that like button so I can make some more videos.